Okay, so I'm going to make two separate videos. One where a is equal to 1, and then the other one's going to be where a is not equal to 1. So if you have a quadratic, meaning that the highest x exponent is a square. So if it's ax squared plus bx plus c, a, b, and c right here, they're just going to be numbers. And they could be positive or negative numbers. Here, play with that. And so the first thing that we're going to do is pretend like it's always an invisible one, which really means that nothing's there. So what you always do is a times c. But for this video, it's always just going to be 1 times c. So we're going to find 1 times c is just 1c, or c. And you're going to find two numbers that multiply to get c. So two numbers that when you times them together, you get c. And they need to add up. When you add those same numbers up, they have to add up to equal b. Uh-oh, don't fall off that chair, please. There you go. Here. Oh, sorry, I'm switching colors. She wants the blue one now. Okay, so lean back. Sorry, she's in his office chair. Okay, so let's try a couple of them. Okay, so we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. And you can see right here that it's an invisible one. Here, you want me to hold you? Come here. Okay. So it's an invisible one right here. So we're going to do 1 times 6 is 6. And then we're going to need two numbers that when you multiply them together, they equal 6 and add up to get b. So whatever's in the middle. So in this case, it's 5. And b is always attached to x. So that's how you know, like, which one's a, which one's b, and which one's c. Here, you got to switch me then. Which one do you want? Here you got to decide. Sorry, this might take a while. Okay, so the only options that you have to multiply to get 6 is 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So if I had 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 does not equal 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. So 1 and 6 isn't going to be it. So let's hope it's 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And when you add them up, it's 5. So it is going to be 2 and 3 are what work. So then we make our factors here. So then it's going to be x plus 2 and x plus 3 because it was positive 2 and positive 3. So they both work. So that means that if we, this is our answer. I'm so sorry. Okay, come here. Okay, you're going to play with this. So then if we, so this is our answer. And if we were to FOIL this, we would come back to this. So we'd have x times x is x squared. Shh, what do you want? Look, you want to play? Oh, that has water in it. Play with these socks. Look, no. What about Dad's phone? There you go. Okay, so x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. So now these like terms add. So x squared plus 3 plus 2 is 5x. Plus 6, which, ooh, whoops, sorry, Trent. So, we got back to our original answer, so that's how we can check and make sure it's right. Okay, I'm going to do some more examples in a second. I got to take care of her.